Welcome to the AGIBOT World Challenge 2026. This is a follow-up challenge to the event that was held in China at ICRA. Why a challenge? A challenge is the main driver of innovation. With challenge, we get a competition. We get the possibility of validating and testing into benchmarking setups. The challenge is open. Why is it important that a private company like AGIBOT makes the challenge open? Because the challenge is open to students, to the researchers, to the team labs having expertise in embodied AI, in real-world modeling, and in sim-to-real problems. The two challenges are reasoning to action, a world model. And this is very much in line with the commonly accepted definition of robotics as the intelligent connection of perception to action. And this is in the framework of one of the hottest challenges in the research community that is focused around physical AI. This is the natural transition from the information technology to the interaction technology, where the human plays an important role together with the machine. The deadline for applying to the challenge is set to April 20, and the final topical event will be at the 2026 IEEE International Conference on Robotics and Automation in Vienna on June the 1st. I hope you will sign up to the challenge and keep the gradient.